American Standard Water Heaters, HTP, Calorex, NTI, these are all Ariston brands that are sold in North America and were acquired by Ariston Group.
Ariston Group is our parent company. They're a global manufacturer based out of Italy primarily, but they have manufacturing facilities all over the world. NTI is primarily a boiler manufacturer based out of St. John, New Brunswick, up in Canada. NTI began with a vision of supporting the field as best as possible. And one of the company's missions has been to develop products that are simple, very easy to manage and install. And that's where our new products are coming into play. Introducing our new user interface. It's a much easier user interface, much simpler installation for the contractor, and makes troubleshooting much easier as well. Our Verta Air-to-Water Heat Pump. It's a new product for NTI, specifically made for hydronic markets that uses refrigerant as the medium instead of a fossil fuel. So it's very environmentally friendly. We take pride in our quality measures, and we provide some of the best support in the industry.
American Standard water heaters have evolved over the years. However, they've been consistent in providing the same quality and the same type of technology that plumbers have become accustomed to. So we build our product like they used to. At the same time, we're bringing cutting-edge technology into the marketplace. iMemory is an AI-type tool that studies how you use hot water in your home and optimizes the appliance to provide hot water at the lowest possible cost. iMemory is part of our human-machine interface that we have on our heat pump water heaters. All of our commercial water heaters are designed for easy replacement. So we look at the water connections and the wiring, the power input into the water heater, where those connections are typically placed by our competitors, and try to line up our fittings so that we can be a drop-in replacement for any competitor's product. Customers should choose American Standard water heaters. We have technology that's proven. We build product like they used to. It's very reliable, very durable, and we bring the technology that the market needs, like heat pump water heating technology.
At Ariston North America, people are loyal to our brand because we provide some of the best support in the industry and also very high quality product. We take pride in our quality measures. We're constantly monitoring our tech support line to make sure that our products are reliable out in the field.